Hi investors, I'm Kenneth Leonardo of Megaworld. Today I'm gonna show you our latest project in Cavite, the Maple Grove. This is 30 minutes away from Manila and 40 minutes away to Makati and BGC. We are sandwiched of two major international airports, the NAIA and the upcoming Sangli Cavite International Airport. Maple Grove is a 140 hectares land bank. We have here a Megaworld lifestyle mall, landers, residential condos, Maple Grove Park Village, commercial lots, and office space. Maple Grove Park Village was envisioned to cater to a market with sophisticated and distinct taste. We are positioned to become an exclusive and prestigious development with larger, more spacious lot sizes. The idea of providing a safe haven for the affluent and discerning market came to mind. Our lot sizes starts at 280 square meters up to 510 square meters. Maple Grove Park Village mirrors the feel and ambience of spa resorts to create an oasis in the middle of the city. It is a sanctuary where residents have the freedom to unwind even in the middle of their busy schedules. We are currently 80% sold here in Maple Grove Park Village. If you want to know more about our latest project in Maple Grove, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more. See you again. Thank you.